Hello everyone, today my topic is adding a constraint. So the add constraint command is used to create a constraint after a table is already created. It means that we can add a constraint in the alter table statement. So for example, in this table, in the department table and in the teacher table, we don't have a primary key constraint in these two tables. So this is the simple. We have created a table and there is no primary key in the department table and in the teacher table, and no foreign key in the department table and in the teacher table. So to add a foreign key or primary key constraint in the alter table, we need a we need a code to add a constraint in the in the teacher table. So suppose I forget to mention the primary key in the department table, or I forgot to mention the primary key constraint in the teacher table. So once I have created a table, I suppose I have created a simple create statement. Then after that we can add a constraint by using alter table statement. So alter table. So in this example, look here, in this example we have already created a constraint in the primary. We have already created a specified a primary key constraint in the teacher table, so we don't need an alter statement to add constraint. So we, in this example, we have already created a primary key constraint in the teacher table, so we don't need alter table command to again again specified a primary constraint in the teacher table. So but in this example we have no primary key in the department table and in teacher table. So to this table, to 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 specify a primary key table, we need an alter statement. So alter table teacher, and it I have specified a teacher table, that to in this table I need a primary key constraint. So I have to mention the table. So the the, the table is teacher. So once I have specified alter table teacher, so saying I'm commanding this table to add constraint. Alter table teacher add constraint teacher pk. So it is just a name to understand it, to specify it, and primary key and teacher id. So once I specify this type of command in the alter table statement, then this statement will be the primary key of, and teacher id will be the primary key of teacher table. So this is the same code as we have declared in the create statement. So here constraint, so constraint teacher pk. So here in the example constraint teacher pk, and I have mentioned the primary key, and in the bracket I have given the teacher id. So this teacher id is the primary key of the teacher table, so I have mentioned in the table label. So here I have also mentioned the primary key in the department table. So alter table department, and I'm saying that in the department table there will be a constraint. So add constraint department pk. So this is just a name to understand it, to know it, that this department id will be the primary key. So in the bracket I have given the column name of the department table. So I have mentioned the department id, and I have specified in the bracket department id, so then it will be the primary key of the department table. And so to give foreign key, I've it is same as it is same as in the create table statement. So in the teacher table, already I have mentioned in the teacher table that how to specify the foreign key by using constraint. So this is same code we have to specify in the alter table command. So alter table teacher add constraint teacher foreign key. Now I'm giving the I'm specifying the foreign key. So foreign key department number. So department number. So department number. I'm giving the foreign key to department number of teacher table, and reference is department id. So department is the table name of department and the column name of department id. So this is the department table and this is the department id. So I have already declared the primary key in the department by using the alter statement. So department id is the primary key of department table and teacher id is the primary key of teacher table. So I have already specified that department number will be the primary foreign key of the department id. So I think you might understand how to add a constraint by using alter statement. So thank you.